Hey everyone! Want your business to show up on Bing search and reach more customers? In this video, we will show you how to add your business listing on Bing step by step. This way, people can find your business easily and your visibility will improve. Bing Places for Business is a free tool from Microsoft. It lets business owners add or claim their local business listing on Bing search and maps. This helps more people find your business and lets us manage important details like hours, address, portals, and website on Bing search, maps, and AR services like Copilot. Bing Places helps businesses create and manage their online listings on Bing. We can appear in local search results, share contact details, show photos, and attract more customers looking for our services or products. Bing Places is one of the top applications leading for inputting business location and is used by most people to locate food resto, cafe, and many other establishments. Now let's go through the process together so everyone can follow along, even if you are new to this. First, open your browser. We go to bingplaces.com. Once we are on the page, click Get Started. If we already have a business, click Add or Claim Your Listing. Here, enter your business location, for example, Canada or 3rd Street. We can start a new search or select our business listing if it already appears. Now, we move to the confirmation for your business. My apologies for not having or continuing to capture to confirmation because Bing Places needs specific information for business. And our purpose here is to teach you where to find the creating of your business. Now, after you confirm your business and enter the identification, your business is now on Bing Places. That's it. Your business is now added to Bing, making it easier for customers to find you online. Remember to keep your information accurate so your listing stays effective.